Number 15. The Airwheel SE3S is an innovative fusion of travel luggage and personal mobility, designed to transform the way we navigate airports and urban environments. At first glance, it resembles a sleek 20-inch carry-on suitcase, but with a simple press of a button, it morphs into a rideable electric scooter capable of reaching speeds up to 13 km/h. This dual functionality is made possible by its integrated brushless 250W motor and 5.5-inch solid wheels, which provide a smooth and stable ride over various surfaces, including small obstacles like 5 cm speed bumps. Constructed from a combination of German-imported PC film and Taiwan's Chimay ABS, the SE3S boasts a durable, waterproof, and wear-resistant shell. Its internal frame is reinforced with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, allowing it to support loads up to 110 kg while maintaining a lightweight profile of just 9.4 kg. Number 14. The Async L5 is a high-performance electric bike that seamlessly blends power, range, and intelligent design, making it a standout choice for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. At its core lies a robust 750W motor, peaking at 1280W, delivering a substantial torque of 80 Nm. This setup enables the L5 to effortlessly tackle steep inclines and achieve a top speed of 28 mph. Complementing this power is a 52V20Ah Samsung battery, offering an impressive range of up to 75 miles on a single charge, with over 45 miles achievable on pure throttle alone. The bike's 5.5-inch full-color IPS dashboard provides real-time data, including battery status and speed, ensuring riders stay informed throughout their journey. Designed with versatility in mind, the L5 features 26-inch by 4.0-inch puncture-resistant fat tires and a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring durability across various terrains. Its ergonomic design promotes an upright riding posture, enhancing comfort during extended rides. Additionally, the L5 is equipped with a torque sensor for responsive pedaling, Logan hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and a Shimano 9-speed derailleur for smooth gear transitions. Whether navigating city streets or exploring rugged trails, the Async L5 offers a dynamic and enjoyable riding experience. Number 13. The Brabus 1300R is a limited edition high-performance naked motorcycle born from a collaboration between German luxury tuner Brabus and Austrian motorcycle manufacturer KTM. Built upon the KTM 1290 Super Duke R Evo platform, this machine combines aggressive styling with exceptional engineering. At its core lies a 1301cc V-twin engine delivering 180 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 140 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM, propelling the bike from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.2 seconds and achieving a top speed of 270 km/h. The Brabus 1300R Masterpiece Edition, the final iteration of this model, is limited to just 50 units worldwide, available in 2 exclusive color schemes, Onyx Black and Diamond White, each accented with Brabus's signature frozen gold detailing. This edition features extensive use of carbon fiber, including a distinctive round headlight mask, side fairings, and air ducts, all contributing to its lightweight dry weight of 194 kg. The bike is equipped with WP Apex semi-active suspension, offering electronically adjustable damping modes for various riding conditions, and Brembo-style monoblock calipers paired with 320mm front discs and a 240mm rear disc, ensuring exceptional braking performance. Number 12. The Volonaut Airbike is an innovative jet-powered hoverbike designed for single-person use, capable of reaching speeds up to 200 km/h, 124 mph. Developed by Polish inventor Tomasz Patan, co-founder of Jetson, the Airbike features a proprietary stabilization system enhanced by a flight computer, providing automatic hovering and ease of control for the rider. Its design draws inspiration from science fiction, offering an unobstructed 360-degree view that enhances the sensation of complete freedom. Constructed using advanced carbon fiber materials and 3D printing techniques, the Airbike is 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle, allowing for agile maneuverability through confined areas. Unlike traditional flying vehicles, it utilizes jet propulsion without visible spinning propellers, contributing to its compact and streamlined design. The Airbike's minimalistic frame and open-air setup not only reduce weight but also provide an immersive flying experience, making it a groundbreaking advancement in personal air mobility. Number 11. The Chameleon Trike is an innovative and versatile recumbent tricycle designed to offer both a full-body workout and a unique riding experience. Developed through extensive prototyping, it allows simultaneous propulsion using both arms and legs, engaging the entire body during use. This design not only enhances cardiovascular fitness, but also provides a fun and efficient way to travel. The trike's adjustable seat accommodates users of various heights, ensuring comfort and proper posture. Its robust frame and dual handbrakes contribute to safety and stability, making it suitable for diverse terrains. Reflective elements enhance visibility in low-light conditions, and the secure braking system ensures reliable stopping power. Customization options, including color choices and accessory compatibility, allow users to personalize their trike. The Chameleon Trike's adaptability and focus on user experience make it a standout choice for those seeking a dynamic and health-conscious mode of transportation. Number 10. The Electra Ponto Go is a versatile and stylish electric bike that blends the convenience of a commuter vehicle with the thrill of a moped-style ride. Equipped with a 750W rear hub motor delivering 60 Nm of torque, it offers both thumb, throttle and pedal-assisted support, reaching speeds up to 20 mph and 26 mph respectively, making it a Class 3 e-bike. Its 650 Wh removable and lockable battery provides a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. And cargo, designed for two, the Ponto Go features a bench-style saddle, passenger handle, foot pegs, and a rear skirt guard, accommodating a maximum carrying capacity of 360 pounds. Safety is paramount, with integrated front and rear lights, turn signals, and a rear brake light ensuring visibility. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while a front suspension fork and 20-inch heavy-duty tires ensure a smooth ride across various terrains. Additional features include a micro-shift, 8-speed drivetrain, torque sensor for responsive pedaling, and compatibility with the Trek Central app for ride tracking and customization. The Electra Ponto Go stands out as a fun, functional, and efficient solution for modern urban mobility. Number 9. The ElliptiGO 8C is a groundbreaking outdoor elliptical bike that merges the low-impact benefits of an indoor elliptical trainer with the exhilaration of outdoor cycling, providing a unique and effective workout experience. Its design features a long stride mechanism, allowing for an adjustable stride length between 16 to 25 inches, closely simulating the natural running motion while minimizing joint stress. Equipped with an 8-speed internal hub, the 8C offers a 306% gear range, enabling riders to tackle various terrains with ease. The bike's frame is constructed from 7005 T6 aluminum, ensuring durability while maintaining a manageable weight of 44 lbs, 20 kg. Its upright riding position not only enhances visibility in traffic, but also eliminates the discomfort associated with traditional cycling saddles, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a comfortable and efficient workout. Additionally, the ElliptiGO 8C is compatible with the Fluid 365 stationary trainer, allowing for indoor training sessions during inclement weather. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to diversify your routine or someone recovering from an injury seeking a low-impact exercise option, the ElliptiGO 8C offers a versatile and enjoyable solution to meet your fitness goals. YouTube +3. Number 8. The Minson skate bike is a distinctive and rare hybrid vehicle that emerged in the 1980s, combining elements of BMX bicycles and skateboards into a unique three-wheel design. Featuring a single large rear wheel driven by pedals and a front end equipped with skateboard trucks and wheels, the Minson offers a riding experience that blends cycling with the agility of skateboarding. Its steel frame provides durability, while the 16-inch rear wheel allows for smoother rides compared to models with smaller wheels. The bike's braking system varies among models, with some featuring coaster brakes and others equipped with caliper brakes, offering riders different stopping mechanisms. Over the years, enthusiasts have undertaken restorations of these vintage bikes. Number 7. The Acer ebii is a cutting-edge electric bike designed for urban commuters, blending minimalist aesthetics with advanced AI-driven technology to deliver a seamless and intelligent riding experience. weighing approximately 23.5 kilos, about 51.8 lb. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame and single-sided fork design not only contribute to its sleek appearance, but also enhance maneuverability in city environments. At the heart of the ebii is a 250W rear hub motor, providing a top assisted speed of 15.5 mph, 25 km/h, powered by a 460-watt removable battery that offers a range of up to 68 miles, 110 kilometers, on a single charge. The battery is designed for convenience, doubling as a portable charger for devices and reaching full charge in just 2.5 hours. Number 6. The Mini eBike 1 is a limited edition electric bicycle that combines Mini's iconic design with Angel Mobility's advanced technology, offering a sleek and intelligent solution for urban commuting. Weighing approximately 17 to 17.5 kilograms, depending on the frame size, this e-bike stands out as one of the lightest in its category, enhancing maneuverability and ease of use in city environments. Its aluminum frame is complemented by a leather-free saddle and handlebar grips crafted by Brooks, England, emphasizing both sustainability and comfort. The bike is powered by a 250W rear hub motor, delivering pedal assist speeds up to 25 km/h, 16 mph, and is equipped with a removable 2.1 kilo lithium battery that fully charges in just 2 hours, offering a range of up to 64 kilometers, 40 miles. Riders can choose from 3 assistance modes: Fly Eco for energy conservation, Fly Dry for minimal pedaling effort, and Fly Fast for maximum speed. Accessible via a 2.4-inch integrated touchscreen display that also provides real-time data on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Safety features include parabolic headlights, flashing lights for enhanced visibility, and an anti-theft system activated through a dedicated mobile app, which allows for remote locking, GPS tracking, and alarm activation. With only 1,059 units available globally, the Mini eBike 1 not only offers a high-performance ride, but also serves as a collector's item, embodying the fusion of classic automotive heritage and modern e-mobility innovation. Number 5. The RadPower Bikes. RadRunner 3 Plus is a versatile electric utility bike designed to meet the demands of modern urban living. With its 750W geared hub motor, it delivers ample power for various tasks, including commuting and cargo hauling. The bike features a semi-integrated 672W battery, providing a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assist level. Its redesigned low-step frame ensures easy mounting and dismounting, accommodating riders ranging from 4'11" to 6'2". Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, the RadRunner 3 Plus offers reliable stopping, power, enhancing safety during rides. The front suspension fork and 20x3.3 tires contribute to a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing shocks from uneven terrains. Additionally, the bike boasts a 350 lb payload capacity, making it suitable for carrying passengers or cargo. The dual LED displays provide clear visibility of speed, battery level, and assist mode, ensuring riders stay informed throughout their journey. With over 350 accessory combinations available, the RadRunner 3 Plus can be tailored to fit individual needs, whether for daily commuting, leisure rides, or transporting goods. Its combination of power, comfort, and customization options makes it a standout choice in the electric utility bike market. Number 4. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is a revolutionary watercraft that combines the thrill of cycling with the excitement of hydrofoiling, offering a unique and eco-friendly way to explore waterways. Designed by New Zealand-based Manta 5, the SL3 features a lightweight composite monocoque chassis with integrated buoyancy, allowing it to float upright when stationary, and making it easy to launch without the need for pontoons or hulls. The bike is equipped with a custom inline motor sealed to IP67 standards, providing 2,500 watts of power, and a custom planetary gearbox with torque, speed, and temperature control, enabling both pedal-assisted and throttle-only operation. Riders can choose from different ride modes, including pedal assist with optional throttle override, and boost mode for full throttle and maximum speed. The SL3 offers a top speed of 20 km/h, 12 mph, and a cruising speed of 11 km/h, 7 mph, with a range of up to 4.5 hours on a single charge, depending on the battery option chosen. Number 3, the Lectric XP4 is a versatile and affordable folding electric bike that combines power, portability, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. With its 500W motor delivering 55 Nm of torque and a peak output of 1092W, the XP4 offers impressive performance, allowing riders to reach speeds up to 28 mph and tackle various terrains with ease. The bike features a 48V, 10.4A lithium-ion battery, providing a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assist level. Its foldable design, measuring 37 x 17 x 29 when collapsed, makes it convenient for storage and transport, ideal for those with limited space or who wish to take their bike on public transportation. The XP4 is equipped with a full-color TFT display that offers real-time data on speed, battery level, and trip information, enhancing the riding experience. Safety is paramount, with the bike featuring 602 hydraulic disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even on steep descents. The integrated rear rack supports up to 150 lbs, making it suitable for carrying cargo or a passenger. Riders can choose from 5 riding modes: Eco, Tour, Sport, Sport Plus, and Turbo, allowing for a customizable riding experience to suit different preferences and terrains. The XP4 also boasts a keyless riding feature, enabling users to power on the bike with the push of a button, enhancing convenience. With its combination of performance, portability, and affordability, the Lectric XP4 stands out as a top choice in the folding e-bike market. Number 1, the Meet One Tour is a high-performance electric tricycle designed to offer unparalleled comfort, power, and versatility for riders seeking a reliable and enjoyable transportation solution. Equipped with dual 750W brushless hub motors, it delivers a combined peak power of 2400W, providing impressive torque of up to 180 Nm. This robust motor system enables the Tour to reach speeds up to 25 mph and tackle inclines with ease, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The tricycle features dual 48V15He Samsung lithium-ion batteries, offering a total capacity of 1,440, which translates to a remarkable range of 55 to 130 miles per charge, depending on usage and terrain. Its full suspension system, comprising a double-shoulder front fork and dual rear shocks, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride over various surfaces. The semi-recumbent seating position, coupled with an oversized padded seat and backrest, provides ergonomic support, reducing strain during long rides. Safety is paramount, with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes on all wheels, a responsive torque sensor for seamless pedal assist, and an electric reverse mode for easy maneuverability. Additional features include a Shimano 7-speed transmission, a 5-inch color LCD display, integrated LED lighting with turn signals, and a spacious rear cargo basket capable of carrying up to 150 lbs. With a maximum payload capacity of 550 lbs, the Meet One Tour is an ideal choice for individuals seeking a powerful, comfortable, and practical electric tricycle for various riding needs.